Yes, children, nice to see you all once again. Yeah, last video I explained you the first stanza and I gave the introduction of the poem. What is the poem saying? Now let us go to the next two stanzas. Yeah, the second stanza is, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. So how first one is why everything is disturbed, he got the idea. Next, again the flight went some more height. When he went to some more height, when the flight went to some more height, from top he's seeing from the window, from the plane he's seeing from the window, and he got it out. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, now second, how much feet? 10,000 feet. It was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran. First, why the country has cities and where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. Wherever there are rivers and wherever there are valleys, why it is populated. Populated means why people are living more in the cities, rivers, valleys and all. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Then when the jet went up, he understood, yes, where there is water, much water, people live there. Where there is much land, people also live there. People live more on the land and water. Why? Because to earn their livelihood. These two are very essential things for the people to earn their livelihood. Okay, so the people live more, the valleys are thickly populated. Okay, see here. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. Okay, now what is the logic of geography? The land and water attracted man. This is the logic of geography. The main point is the land and water attracted man. Okay, yeah, just see here. You can underline, children, underline this land. The land and water attracted man. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, when he went more height, he came to know that yes, wherever land and water are there, wherever valleys are there, there people live thickly. Okay, next. What are the hard words in this? There are no much hard words in this. Okay, the logic of geography, land and water. Delineated means shown. You have already the meanings in your textbook. Delineated means shown. You can underline this one. Okay, children, you can underline, and you need to learn the spellings also. Okay, now let us go to the third stanza. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. He got the third doubt. Again, when the flight went more height. Okay, first it was less height, second little, next more height. It was clear the earth was round. He came to know that the earth is round. Okay, by seeing from top he understood that yes, our earth is round and it had more sea than land. And second point, he came to know that it has more water than land. Okay, now next, what is the next one? I think you understood 3 points what the poet told. Now, but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. He got 3 doubts. Why the land is disturbed, why the city is disturbed, somewhere buildings, somewhere plants, trees. When he went up, he understood, yes, from up if you see it is very nice, from down only it is like that. He came to know. Next, second point, what he said, there are rivers and valleys. Why people are living more near waters and valleys, rivers, means that is their to earn their livelihood they are living. That also he understood from the second stanza. Third stanza, he understood that the earth is round. Okay, and 70% of the earth is with water and 30% of the earth is with land. That also he understood. Now fourth point here, what he got doubt is, God has given such a nice thing, all facilities are given, earth is full of with all resources, but still why people are hating each other? Why are they killing each other? He got it out. His answer is not clear. It is a mystery. He don't understand. God has given all facilities. Man only created many facilities. He can live very happily on the land. But still then, why they are killing each other? Why are they fighting each other? He didn't understand why. What is the reason behind? He didn't understand. From up, he is saying that from up, if I see everything is very fine, good designed. But when I step onto the earth, I can know what is happening. From up, everything is very nice. But when I step onto the earth, I am not satisfied. Who is not satisfied here? The poet. Who is our poet? Zulfikar Ghosh. He is saying, from up I am satisfied. My doubts are cleared. But when I step onto the earth, I feel people are hating each other. They are killing each other. But why are they doing like that? I don't understand. He is saying, his doubt is not cleared. It is unfulfilled. So say last, but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other. For silly things also they are killing each other. For silly things they are hating each other. To build walls across cities and to kill. Why there are walls? Why there are walls means what? Why the countries are divided into districts, states? He doesn't understand. Why not all can be equal? Why these districts are essential? Why these islands are essential? I mean territories, districts, states. Why the countries are divided like this? Why not all be equal? There must be walls like this or what? He got it out. Walls across the cities and to kill. And from that height it was not clear why. He was seeing from height, but will it be cleared? No. Until he step onto the earth, he will not know why they are fighting, why they are killing. From up he felt that everything is fine, everything is nice. But when he stepped onto the earth from the flight, he understood that nothing is fine. People are killing each other, people are hating each other. Okay, see the Zulfikar Ghosh, see the spelling, children? Yeah. Now let us go to the next. See, inevitable, that cannot be avoided or unavoidable. Haphazard, without plan or order. Delineated, shown. Okay. Now see here, working with the poem, find 3 or 4 phrases in the stanzas 1 and 2 which are likely to occur in geography lesson. Actually, what are the phrases which you find in your geography lesson, children? You need to know. Okay, in stanza 1 and 2 you find some phrases, it seems, which those phrases come in your social textbook also in the lessons of geography. So what are those phrases he wants you? Okay, so you have to write it. Now come on, just you read and think and you tell me. Now I am telling you the answers. The first point for the first question, scaled 6 inches to the mile. You can underline that one. See here, scale. In the third line, you have scaled 6 inches to the mile. This is one phrase. Second phrase, why valleys were populated? Why valleys were populated. Next, third one, land and water attracted man. See here, scaled 6 inches to the mile is in the first stanza, third line. Why valleys were populated? Second stanza, fourth line. Second stanza, fourth line. Why valleys were populated. Okay. Next, land and water attracted man. Underline that one also. Next, clearly delineated. Clearly delineated. This one, land and water attracted man. Next, okay. Why the valleys were populated. Next, it's scaled 6 inches. This type of phrases you find in social geography lessons. These are the 4 phrases. Okay. Now, next let us go to the next. What is the next part for you? Seen from the window of an aeroplane, the city appears as haphazard as on ground, as neat as a map, as developed as necessary. What is the answer? As developed as necessary. The people developed as wherever they want plants, trees, they grow. Wherever they want buildings, they constructed long buildings. They developed as everything as they like. Okay. Next, Mark the right answer. See here. Next, which of the following statements are examples of logic of geography? See here. There are cities where there are rivers. Yeah, the first statement is correct. Next, cities appear as they are not from 6 miles above the ground. No, second statement is wrong. Second statement is wrong. Next, it is easy to understand why the valleys are populated. Yeah, third one is correct. Next, fourth one, it is difficult to understand why humans hate, kill one another. Yes, this is also fifth one. It is difficult to understand. Fourth one, it is difficult to understand why humans hate and kill one another. Okay, in 2. Next, the earth is round and it has more sea than land. Yeah. So what are the 3 correct statements? 1, 3 and 5. Okay, and second and fourth are wrong. Mention 2 things that are clear from the height, not clear from the height. Here, what can you understand clear from the height means? See here, note down children. The first point you need to note down. I am telling clear from the height is the earth is round and the earth is round and that it has more sea than land. Okay, the earth is round and that it has more sea than land. This can be clear. You can understand more sea than land. Yeah, you can. I'll try. Okay, nothing. Okay, you write the earth is round and it has more sea than land. More sea, S-E-A-C, than land. This is clear to clear. The first point answer. Now second point. Next, men hate each other. Second, not clear. Not clear means why they are doing like this we don't understand. Okay, but second point answer is men. M-E-N, men. First letter capital. Men hate, H-A-T-E, hate each other and build, B-U-I-L-D, build walls across. Men hate each other and build walls across, A-C-R-O-S-S, across the cities, C-I-T-I-E-S, cities, to kill each other. Across the cities to kill each other. Full stop. It is not clear why they do so. It is not clear why they do so. Okay children, I think you understood this one. So first answer I am just repeating, the earth is round and that it has more sea than land. These 2 things, earth is round and it has more water and less land, we can understand. It is clear from the height. And which is not clear from the height, men hate each other and build walls across the cities to kill each other. It is not clear why they do so. Okay, yes, I think you understood this one. The remaining part I'll give you little work children. In the next video you should tell me what is what. Okay, bye.